got it here, greatest divider. Check this out. This actual axe is kind of split in half. Check this out. It's such a big openings, and you have a hole in your axe. And then there's a, whatever you call it, a little spring, one round spring inside of it. Look at that axe. Whenever it splits, it divides it so good, it just flies away. Not even a hard hit. Now that it's already split, I like it smaller pieces of my firewood. Look at that. Ha! This is insane. Okay, let's do a couple more pieces like this. They're already split in half. Just to show you how much it flies apart. Ha 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 ha! It works so well. I love it. I don't even have to swing hard. There's a couple more pieces right here. Let's break them apart. This is so cool. This is definitely a fun splitter. Look at that. It divides it really well. The only question is how durable the axe handle is. Have to fix it for sure. This is too easy. I don't even have to swing it hard. Ah, you see, it wasn't hard enough. Flaps didn't open, so it didn't split it. You see how much it tosses it out, so that way it's not in my way anymore. Let's do one more bigger one, see if I can do it. Again, guys, this is incredibly rare splitting axe. This is gonna go into my museum. You see? So, keep splitting it. The beginning is hard, but look, my hits are really good and accurate. So now we're gonna go this way. Look at that. He cracked it up. Nice. Now it's broken off. This is good. I like this axe. Gotta make sure my handle doesn't fly away. Has to be fixed up. Yeah, as you can see, it works really good. There's one more piece. Nice. Love it. Didn't hit it hard enough. This is incredibly rare splitting axe too, so I don't want to destroy it. Because it costs a couple $100 easy. Because I can charge whatever I want because it's hard to find them. So maybe one more time. And look at that. Don't even have to swing hard. There you go.